You are invited to join me in Tanzania, East Africa, including a domestic flight to the island Zanzibar, July 18th through the 27th, 2024. Don't miss out. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to I Am Leslie Jones.
A mile, use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto Park Plaza Drive.
I just arrived at Ulta Beauty because I'm getting myself and my mom Tabitha Brown's hairline product called Donna's Recipe. Folks, as you know, I'm not locked yet. My lock date is July 10th, 2023 by Kiki J. You can watch that video to get the full story on that because I should be locked already, but I am not. It's okay. So now I'm going to do a hairstyle that will last at least 3 to 4 weeks so I don't have to do my hair until I go get my hair locked. And so I'm going to do a 2-strand twist hairstyle to hold me down. So do you see that? Thing 1 and thing 2. Folks, I'm 15 years old. This should not be happening. Join me and let's get it popping. And there it is, folks. Donna's Recipe by Tabitha Brown. Look at the glory. Oh my goodness. Donna's Recipe, a sweet, guilt-free experience for your hair. Folks, this is vegan, family-owned. Look at the daughter, Slay. Oh my gosh. Just look. I don't even need to talk. Swoop on the shampoo, swoop on the conditioner, swoop on the extra creamy cream. While I was here, I remembered I needed some more foundation. Let me show you this new vegan melanated focus beauty brand. My mom told me about Minted. I saw it on her and I knew I had to get it too. Look it, we have another highly melanated CEO. Hello. Celebrating all hues with your melanin in mind. What is your name?
Imani.
Imani is
Yes.
hooking me up with, helping me find my color. Alrighty, beautiful people, I got everything I needed. Ulta Beauty, thank you. And folks, if you're wondering what I have on my body right now, it's actually a posture corrector because you guys know I Uber drive. And my posture is not good. So now when I walk or, around the house or I'm driving, I have my posture helper outer. And I have a Amazon Associates storefront. So click the link if you're interested in the posture corrector or any other products that you see in this video. What I'm most excited about is, beautiful people, Donna's Recipe. As you know, we love Auntie Tab. So I'm going to shampoo my hair, yes, with the new extra creamy moisturizing shampoo with the, sweet potato pie. The new concoction she has. And then I'm gonna follow it up with the extra creamy conditioner. And then folks, I'm going to do my 2-strand twist with the extra creamy hair cream. Folks, let's go. Yes. As you already know, I haven't done my hair in days. I actually just came out of a pompadour I wore at my nephew's graduation. So proud of him. Follow him on TikTok and Instagram. We have a high schooler now. Let's detangle. Watch this video to see how I detangle my hair. Alrighty, my hair is detangled. Now it's time to get in the shower. I separate my hair because as I wash, I'll separate it again just to make sure the water and the shampoo gets everywhere it needs to get. Oh my God, what? Shut it down. This texture, look at that. Blast the scalp. What? It's already lathering. Okay, no. No, seriously. You know how many times I have to go through my hair before it lathers? And ooh, Donna. Check out the health benefits. Sweet potatoes packed with vitamin A and omega-3 fatty acids add luster by nourishing the hair follicles and hair. Cinnamon removes buildup from the scalp to allow the healthier follicles and overall hair and scalp health. Vanilla soothes the scalp and softens dry, rough hair. I'm shocked. I'm so shocked right now. Like I could put more, but it's like I don't even need to. But I'm going to because I want to. Because that's my business. I just can't get over the quickness of the lather. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You literally just saw me put it on there. No edit. What? No edit. This is amazing. You're seeing this in real time. Like I could do more, but I don't want. I mean, there's no need. Look at that. What? It just look at that. It's just separating. What? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Never have I ever. Look at that. This is crazy, and it's vegan, and it doesn't even have all that. Look at. At this point, I'm just literally just playing in my hair because that's all. It's just okay. Let me rinse my hair now. I just can't. Just the look at that ease. Oh, the ease of separation. Grateful. And of course, it rinses out with ease. Did I mention my eyes are not burning? What? Blessings on blessings. Folks, this is real time. And I think I got everything out already. And look how loose my hair is right now compared to my shrinkage. 10. Donna's recipe. Auntie Tab. 10. Wrap my hair with a towel. Okay, time for conditioning. Folks, this is with no conditioner, no nothing. It's just separating easy. I don't think I'm gonna get over that. I did it again. It did it again. And it keeps on doing it. Folks, that was real time. We just saw what happened real time. You know what I'm thinking about? I'm getting my hair locked next month. So I won't be able to experience this. More than once. But folks, when my locks gets to a point where I can moisturize, Donna's recipe, done. Like, period. So I'm gonna do just a grab and twist. I won't be parting, but I do want a distinct middle part. And then I'll make sure I do a nice left side part because I plan on, having my deep swoop. We love the swoop. I must confess, this is not a leave-in conditioner, but I'm leaving it in because, folks, I don't like multiple steps. So I'm just going to go straight into twisting. I'm excited, you guys. Folks, first of all, I love my shrink. We love springy. We love springiness. Wow, that's cute. I am twisting as I am twisting. So as you can see, I twist the hair in between my fingers to give it a rope look. Last one for section 2. I want to give you a close-up of the twist and twist that I do. You can see this. It's like I twist it and then twist it like that to give it a rope look. And then I also want it to go away from my face, so I twist it away from the scalp part. So twist, 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 twist. The springy. And this one should fall. This might be 2 right here. Yeah, it's gonna fall right there. Bam, and close that space up. The last 2.
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told her mom that I will soon, soon. Knew as a child back in the womb. Oh, told her step back, I need my broom, vroom. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in the room. I've been so real, I'm dead to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I got a gas, they running on fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. It's me and Dan, you gotta choose. I'm taking what's mine, I'm doing fine. Don't see the vision, they looking so blind. I hit my lawyer, don't got the time. Crossing my T's and he dotting those eyes. Don't take offense if I do not oblige.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button now. I'll see you in the next video.
It's real.
Beautiful people, welcome to vision-reality.com, your authentic Kente cloth liaison. Legacy is expressed in the hand weaving technique passed down from generation to generation in Africa through Kente cloth. Let us wear legacy. Folks, I have videos now. There's videos of the chairman of Kente cloth, Stephen Amofa, sharing the story, the meanings, and the origins of each Kente. Folks, if you don't know what Kente cloth is, you can read about it or watch about it because there's videos as well. This update has made me excited. So you can also visit the website just to learn what Kente cloth is, the significance, how it is made, and hey, there's a little extra stuff there too. So the online store is updated and open. So if you'd like to donate to my journey, you can buy a t-shirt, Unity Through Community.
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told her mom that I will soon, soon. Knew as a child back in the womb. Oh, told her step back, I need my broom, vroom. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm in a whip, so I gotta zoom.